So, I got all ready and I got all dressed and I realized my parcel wasn't actually ready to pick up until tomorrow. I literally didn't even know what day it was. But all I know is this look. Hello? What are the circumstances that happened? What are the chances I impulse buy glasses? This jacket is so good. Anyway, I want to do something based off this look. It's giving me... I'm feeling smoky, sultry, scandalous, pastel. I think we can incorporate this into a look. So, because I literally already got ready today, I have done my face, my brows, highlight, contour, bronzer. I've literally done the entire thing. I got beat. I got beat today for no reason. You know when you make yourself a big iced coffee at 6 p.m? It's gonna be a wild night. I also shaved my hair last night. You see this? I only have 2 makeup palettes to my name. Fenty Moroccan Spice one, and I have the Morphe James Charles palette. This one.
It's Britney, bitch.
I think we can work with some reds. What am I gonna go in with? What am I gonna go in with? Everything's blue. Everything is blue. Your hair.
The girl did it to her damn self.
Okay, so after cleaning my brushes for 10 minutes, I'm gonna go in with this one. Okay. You there? So, today was the day that Beyoncé's remix got released. And if anyone knows me, you know I don't react calmly to this news.
I literally am gonna die. I need an ambulance. I do not believe this is happening.
So today has just been a whirlwind for me. I cannot believe it's 6 o'clock already. I really just, but yeah. And then apparently as well, Doja Cat and Nicki Minaj are coming out with a remix to Say So. What the are you kidding me? That is, oh my god, I cannot. I just love being a homosexual. Like, on the other side, Lady Gaga is getting leaked here, there, everywhere. Why does she need to, like, hold on to this thing? I just feel like, give the gays what they're looking for. Give the gays exactly what they want. Fenty, every single one of their products is amazing. And I will literally go down the ship for that. I'm gonna add some more purple. I think I wanna go into like pinkish in the middle and then more purple, sultry, smoky on the outside. And then like a black liner, if not a black smoky liner. We'll see.
I have the mind of a I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but you know, I'm so creative like that.
I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go into this color and kind of darken up and build. I'm also gonna build an outer V because I want this kind of look to be fierce. Like these glasses, cat eye glasses, I want an eye look to like replicate that cat eye. Like I want to be fierce. Okay. I think she's pretty good. She's not bad. Okay. I never really know when to stop blending. Like, it's not gonna get any better because like I haven't done to it. So I want to do pink in the inner corners and then purple on the outer. So I'm gonna go in with this. They literally look like the same thing. Okay. So, I literally have no idea where this is going. But like work, you know? To kind of blend it out and hopefully make it look more pink than purple, which I don't think it is. I think I'm gonna do a smoky liner and a cut crease. So, we'll see how this goes. I think I'm gonna use this pink. That's a cool purple. I think I'm gonna use that purple instead. The purple glitter in the James Charles palette I think would look nicer than that one. I think we'll just use the pink as a blendy thing. So because I'm gonna do purple on the lid, I'm gonna do a purple base. Wow. It's crazy how I'm just like so good at makeup. I love this look at the beginning, but now it's just like a lot of purple. You know, we need to like get some definition or something, you know?
In the beginning, I was like, okay, it's cool, ha ha ha.
I'm gonna go back in with the dark purple and go there in my crease. Okay, I feel like that's a little bit more defined. Right, so I didn't realize my phone stopped recording, so I did a bunch of stuff and then didn't catch it. So I went in with this glitter on my lid, and then I went in with this gold color, and then I started doing my kohl liner. But kohl is just being a bitch. I'm gonna add some more purple shimmer in the middle, and then I'm gonna do my lower lash line to hopefully bring the purple back into it. We'll see. What else is happening in the news? America just keeps being America. Like, every day it's just like, wake up, they're America, you know? God, I blend so much and then I lose it all. If I blend too much, I lose it all. My M508 and buff that out. Then I go in afterwards, and then with the black to make it blacker. Okay, honestly, I feel like the liner looks smoky. It looks smoky, it looks black, it's doing its job. This eye is definitely not as good. But like, I don't really think either of them are that good. Wow. Oh my god, my lower lash line. I just need to be done for this. I've been doing this for like hours because I took a break in between. Do you ever just like catch a scent of something that like shouldn't smell like that in your room? And you're like, am I alone or is someone else in here? I swear to God, if something came out just then, I would have myself. Oh! She's looking good. She's looking real good. Okay, this side is just not looking good. Okay, so I think they're kind of similar. Then I'm gonna put the pink in the inner corner. On the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with this super fine liner brush and put some dark ass purple just at the lash line. Because I want it to be intense. I want drama. Oh, that is so good. God, I'm good. Because I'm no ordinary girl. I think I got cut off, but I've been really into watching H2O Just Add Water. It is an Australian show from 2006, basically about three girls, Cleo and two friends.
Well, say my name. Say my name. Say it.
And get this, they get lost. And it's so good. It is on Amazon Prime. It is honestly making me want to perfect my Australian accent because I feel like I've got my Canadian or North American accent pretty good. Like, a lot of people don't even notice I'm from England. I'm just gonna go over the liner in black. Now it's taken me a long time to get this makeup look done. I am gonna put on mascara, put on some lashes, and be done. Okay, so the lashes that I'm gonna be using today are the Demire Faux Mink lashes. They're like fluffy. Like, what? We're looking at the same thing, right? Like, what? Put some glue on my lashes. I'm using the Duo Dark Tone, Amazon's finest. I know I've talked about her already, but like,
Megan Thee Stallion.
I feel like I'm falling for her. Like, I f***ing love that girl. Truly, everything she's done so far has more than exceeded my expectations. Like, she has excelled expectations. And she truly is not slowing down. Like, she is kicking ass and taking names. If you're not on Mahalia already, look at her up. Mahalia. Mahalia. Do it. And then Kalani. Kalani does not take a break. Like, she pushed out an album and a baby last year. Kalani is insane. I think that coffee is hitting because I feel like I'm just rushing everything. Let's do this. That was so annoying. God. Lashes a complete look, but also kill me. That being said. Ooh! She's fierce. She did that. So here it is, my finished look. It took so long, like I don't wanna like it, but like she is looking good. Imagine if we could go somewhere. Imagine if this had like a purpose to go somewhere, like, wow. Do you guys remember like hugging people? Did you remember that? If you're still watching, thank you so much for tuning in. Tell me if you like my makeup look. Am I the only one that does this, that just like gets ready repeatedly? I hate going places, but getting ready is everything. When Beyoncé said it took 45 minutes to get all dressed up and we're not even gonna make it in the club, I relate to that. I love that. That is me. Me, myself, and I think I'm gonna go. I'm done. Bye.
Hottest rap nigga in the game. I don't know why you hoes even bother. If looks a kill, I need a coffin. Like a dentist, I be flossing. Catch feelings, know I catch flights. Pockets fat, they got cellulite. I got these niggas on lock, Kamala Harris. Body draped in that 24